Go to fakeinfo.net. Scroll down and in the Social Media Tools section click on the Telegram Chat Generator button. Here are the options to generate the fake Telegram chat screenshot. You can hide the header and footer from here, and also can hide the status. Set time and battery percentage. Change the sender's name and status. Upload the profile pic. Set the message time and write the message. Click the below button to add the message. Now for the reply to the message, go to the person to option. Set the message time and type the message. Choose read unread options. Click the below button to add the message. Now click on the download button to download your screenshot.